trial started in January 2020 and it was nearing completion by December 2021. But over the last few months, the Dileep-Pulsar Suni case has seen many developments. For those of you who still don't know about the case, a young woman actor was sexually assaulted in a moving car in Kochi in February 2017. Pulsar Suni, who has worked as a driver for many actors, has been accused of sexually assaulting her. Actor Dileep is accused of paying money to Suni to sexually assault her and capture the crime on camera. The police have for the last few months been carrying out a further investigation. They've even sought an extension from the court a couple of times. So what is the new evidence gathered by the police in this case? Let me explain. Over the last few months, the crime branch has been piecing together evidence to build a watertight case. So what is the evidence that the police have told the court that they have? The biggest evidence is the testimony of Balachandra Kumar, a small-time movie director who was once close to Dileep. Balachandra Kumar has made several allegations. The most important is that he met Pulsar Suni at Dileep's house on December 26, 2016. That's 2 months before the crime. When the young woman actor was assaulted, Pulsar Suni's men captured the crime on camera. Balachandra Kumar alleges that Dileep had these visuals and that they watched it at the actor's house in Alava on November 15, 2017. There are primarily 3 things that the police have to prove. 1. That Dileep knew Balachandra Kumar well and was present with the movie director on those 2 crucial dates. 2. Is that Dileep had the visuals of the sexual assault and that they watched it. And 3. To prove beyond doubt that Dileep had ties with Pulsar Suni. The Pulsar Suni link is a bit easier to explain, so let me begin with that first. A new witness has entered the picture. As of now, it's been revealed that a witness has told the police that Pulsar Suni used to work as a driver for Dileep's wife, Kavya Madhavan. Now back to Balachandra Kumar. Balachandra Kumar's testimony as a witness will be challenged in court. He was in touch with Dileep until a few months before he made these allegations, and he also had financial dealings with Dileep. The police's main focus is to show the court that Balachandra Kumar isn't lying and that he is a reliable witness. In this context, the Kerala police in a recent affidavit told the court that they have more evidence. What is this evidence? One is this photograph. This picture was recovered from Balachandra Kumar's phone and it was apparently clicked on December 26, 2016. The day Balachandra Kumar said he visited Dileep's house and met Pulsar Suni. Police sources told TNM that a similar picture was clicked on Dileep's phone, and this too has been added to the evidence pile. This, however, can only prove that Balachandra Kumar visited Dileep's house, not that he met Pulsar Suni. The other evidence that the police have is an audio clip of a conversation between Pulsar Suni, who is in jail, and his friend Jinsen. In this conversation, Pulsar Suni tells Jinsen that he remembers meeting Balachandra Kumar. Then there is a telephone number which Kavya Madhavan was allegedly using to contact Balachandra Kumar. She has denied that this is her number. The new evidence that the police have shown is that this was indeed a number that Kavya Madhavan was using, but it was registered in her mother's name. Balachandra Kumar's next claim was that on November 15, 2017, Dileep, along with his close family members and a friend, watched the visuals of the sexual assault when Balachandra Kumar was in the room. This has been vehemently denied by Dileep. The police have submitted a bill for Balachandra Kumar's room at the Alava guest house. The amount was settled by Dileep's brother Anup. The police have also secured pictures of Anup, Balachandra Kumar and Dileep's brother-in-law Suraj travelling in Dileep's car during that time. All of this, together with other pictures and chats of Dileep, Balachandra Kumar, Anup and Suraj, will help the prosecution prove that Dileep knew Balachandra Kumar well, that the movie director often visited them, and that he was present in their house on those 2 crucial dates. December 26th, 2016 and November 15th, 2017. But how will the police prove that Dileep had the visuals with him? To prove that Dileep watched the visuals, the police are relying on two new sets of evidence. One is a phone conversation purportedly between Dileep and his lawyer, where the lawyer says that they've watched the visuals many times. But this may not be a strong piece of evidence. The other evidence is a picture recovered from Anoop's phone. The photograph taken at the end of December 2017 shows a 4-page note detailing the assault visuals. It apparently has details like file name, time code, etc. Dileep and his lawyers were shown the visuals by the court on December 15th, 2017. So they could have taken notes, right? Wrong, says the police. And to prove their point, they've taken a statement from a new witness, Prasoon Benny, the former additional public prosecutor in Ambalapura. Prasoon was the one who played the clip for Dileep and his team of lawyers. Prasoon said that the audio in the visuals was low and that they could barely hear anything. Prasoon also said that he did not reveal the file name of the visuals and that Dileep and his team of lawyers did not take detailed notes of the conversation in the visuals. So if what Prasoon says is true, how were the detailed notes made? This is the question that the prosecution will raise. The police say that there is much more to uncover. Many more audio and video files and documents, all retrieved from the mobile phones of Dileep and his family members to go through. While all of this was going on, there was another alarming development. The director of the Forensic Science Laboratory gave a statement on May 28th saying that the memory card with the assault visuals was accessed on January 9th, 2018 and December 13th, 2018. On January 9th, 2018, the memory card was with the Angamali Magistrate Court. By December that year, it was with the Ernakulam Principal and Sessions Court. Who accessed these visuals and how did this happen? While on one hand, the police want to investigate this further, on the other, Dileep's counsel has raised objections to prolonging the trial. But one should remember that this is of utmost concern to the woman who survived the assault. The very possibility that her visuals may be in the possession of someone illegally is something that the court should look at immediately. Doing stories like this take months of work, or following a story so closely, and we at the News Minute have been doing just that. So if you value our work, do become a member of the News Minute. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, if you've liked this video, hit the like button and share this video with your friends.